So the benefit of LED is that there's no known side effects to it. It can be used on any and every skin type. It can be added into all aesthetic treatments like BOTOX, fillers, IPL, laser, dermaplaning, chemical peels, microneedling, you name it. Obviously, as it sits away from the face and body, it's going to be much more comfortable in terms of it being part of the treatment. So, for example, if somebody had a bit of swelling or bruising post-Botox, obviously we've got the different wavelengths. So this device has actually got all of the different LED wavelengths. That's what's beneficial about the lumineo. It can help to heal the skin, can help to treat acne, and not only on the face, but also on the body as well. So you can contour the device to all areas of the body, as I showed. So this can obviously fit a leg underneath if you wanted to. You can obviously open it up so it's to its full capacity to treat larger body areas, or obviously over the face as well, which is quite nice.